Hey guys, today I want to talk to you guys about lattices. So here we have our benchmark part that has lattice, or this is a part that has an integrated lattice structure. And what a lattice is good for? Well, basically what you get with lattice structures is you have less material that you use, so that way you save print time and you save print material. Saving print time and print material both automatically save you cost because your part is done faster, and the less material you use, the cheaper the part. Also, since I said the part is going to be lighter if you use lattice structures, that way you sometimes have secondary cost savings. For example, if a part on a plane is a significant amount of weight lighter, then it's simply cheaper to fly the plane around because it uses less fuel. So there are many aspects of lattice structures that are good for your design, and in one of the next episodes we're going to show you how to easily create those lattice structures using Fusion 360. See you guys next week.